Laura Ashley was born in Merthyr Tydfil in 1925.
Being very Welsh, my mother dashed home always about a month before her children were due to make sure they were born in Wales.
Laura's parents lived in London, but when she was 8 months pregnant, Laura's mother made the pilgrimage back to her childhood home in Dowlais. Laura was born on the 7th of September at 31 Station Terrace.
It's the terrace right at the very top. It's on the south side of the Wrekin Beacons, what they call Dowlais Top, and very exposed and bitterly cold.
Throughout her childhood, Laura, her sister and 2 brothers would spend summer and Easter holidays in Dowlais. These visits had a great influence on Laura.
My grandmother had about 8 sisters, and they all were in service in London, in great houses where the standards were incredible. And they all went back to marry Welshmen, and they took these Victorian standards back with them. I just adored helping with every morning. The step had to be whitened, all the brass had to be polished, and of course the doors were all left open so that anybody could walk straight in. The front door was always left open.
Each Sunday, Laura attended her grandmother's Baptist chapel, Hebron.
In one's wardrobe, there was the set of Sunday clothes. So you dressed quite differently for Sunday, of course, as well as everybody knows. And then it was chapel 3 times a day, and Sunday school in the afternoon was for everybody, not just children.